To create from scratch is not easy because you will fail several times. But if you don't give up, you will get what you want. Definitely. The first one I tried does not work this way. Then I give it a time and then think, look for some materials. I then build this one. But this is not the specific way I want it to be, but I have to manage it for now. Out of this one again, I have learned some things again. If I'm going to create something like this next time, it will be more better than this, I'm sure. This is the one that failed at first.